So guys, I want to show you how I add sounds to my videos using Capcut. So basically I go to sounds. If I want to add a music, I come here to sounds, and then I make sure you choose commercial sounds, which are sounds that are allowed to be used on social media. So always make sure you choose commercial sounds. Okay, and now if you are using the free version of Capcut, always check this. If you see this purple sign, if you see the purple sign, that simply means it's the pro version. So skip that. Skip all the music, all the sounds that have the purple sign if you are using the free version. Okay, but if you are ready to upgrade to the pro version, you will love it. That will be so beneficial because you have a wide range of music and sounds, you know. So if you want to use, just type the type of sounds you like. Let's say quiet vibes. You just say quiet vibes. You see? So you skip the purple sign, vibe. Wow, this is quiet. Quiet reflections. Quiet whispers. Vibes. That's loud. Quiet hope. Okay. Okay guys, now however, if you want to, if all you need is maybe some nature sounds, you come here, instead of sounds you click on sounds FX. Now here you have all the sounds, the funny sounds, magic reveal, you know, physical, all the noises, funny, angry, tense, sorrow, nature, interaction, street, indoor, surprise, prompt, cheers, game, ambience, mood, transitions, musical instruments, sale. Okay, but for this video we want some nature sounds, the ocean wave. Let me save this for later. Okay, actually I want some quiet, peaceful ocean wave, because this puppy you see right here gives a peaceful vibe. So peaceful ocean waves, calming. Okay, peaceful ocean. Peaceful sea. Okay. This sounds great. I think peaceful sea. Save for later. I don't know why I always have to click Okay, let's use this. We are using this, guys. Let's try to listen to it. Ooh. And now, guys, I'll show you how I did this reverse version. See? Look at this. Ooh, that's smooth. Okay. Now let me show you how I did it. This is the original version, then the reverse version. Okay, this is what I did. I duplicate, find duplicate. Duplicate simply means you make it twice, so you will double this video. So duplicate, and now you click on the duplicated version, the second video. You'll find reverse. Okay, right here, reverse. You click on reverse. Okay, so the video is reversed. The second one is reversed too. Okay, let's see. Smooth. Oh my goodness, smooth. Good. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. If you found this video valuable, please make sure you like the video, you share to someone that might need to learn how to do this. It's the simple things, right? Sometimes we know things and we think everyone else know it, but no. That's why I've decided to share my simple tricks, my simple tips, my secrets. So I've decided to share my simple steps to do things. I'll just share it here because you just never know who that might help. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. If you want to create your own AI avatar, I will highly recommend you join the Face Forward AI community, which is a supportive community that will help you create your own AI avatar from scratch. When I say scratch, I mean complete scratch. Okay, so in the community we'll show you all the steps to create, animate, everything to make your AI avatar look very realistic. And I think I'll make a video about it very soon. Okay, the link I'll leave all the informations in the description down below if you're interested. Peace. Bye.